Welcome to KidsVision TV. Hi kids and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a Halloween pumpkin step by step. Let's learn the colors name. Brown color, yellow color, purple color, orange color, black color. First we color the pumpkin, Halloween pumpkin. I love to draw drawing very much. Happy Halloween, kids! Hope you like the video. Let's color other side. Can you sing a song with me? Orange color. Orange, orange, oranges, orange juice and pumpkin, orange lamb and mandarins. We love the color orange. You can sing with me again. Orange, orange, oranges, orange juice and pumpkin, orange lamb and mandarins. We love the color orange. We sing another color song. Yellow color. I am coloring its eyes and its mouth with yellow color. Sing a song on yellow color. Yellow, yellow sunflower, yellow sun and yellow car, yellow bird and bananas. We love the color yellow. Hooray! Hope you like the yellow song. Brown color. I am coloring brown color. Let's sing a song on brown color. Brown, brown teddy bear, brown dog and brown chair, brown cow and brown hair. We love the color brown. You can sing again another color song. It's time to color a purple color on our Halloween pumpkin head. Let's sing a purple color song. Purple, purple lavender, purple twister, purple flower, purple plums and purple house. We love the color purple. Can you sing again with me? Purple, purple lavender, purple twister, purple flower, purple plums and purple house. We love the color purple. Sing a song again. Purple, purple lavender, purple glister, purple flower, purple plums and purple house. We love the color purple. Oh, the pumpkin is looking so horrible. Pumpkin hat is almost done. Black color in its middle of the hat. If you like my videos, then like, subscribe and please share. Green color. I am coloring green color. Let's sing a green color song. Green, green Christmas tree, green plant and green peas, green field and broccoli. We love the color green. Coloring is almost done.
Subscribe us for more videos.